we worked for handling post request. Now from this video we'll be working for get request, which will come in else part. So let's give an else over here. For if it does not go to post, it will enter to get request. So in this situation we'll be returning the render request. Oops, here it should be ice creams, that is it, ice creams. So I'll just copy this and paste over here, except this note. But we'll be having form set over here, as we want people to be able to order ice creams. Now with this all in place, we need to create this ice creams.html, for which I will go to ice creams, new HTML file. Here I'll rename ice creams.html. For this I need to delete everything, and we will give an heading first, which will be with h1 tag. Here we let's say order ice creams. It will tell customers that they can order ice creams from here. Then we will enter the smaller tag with h2. Here we need to give a note and a closing tag. Now it's time to create a form. It will be a form set rather, because form set is a bunch of forms combined into one form, which will have lots of fields. Then we will provide here action, which will be going to URL. So open, close, and here 2 percentile, and here inside of this will be giving URL of ice creams. And the method will be none other than equal to post. Let's keep everything in caps. This is because we are actually sending some ice cream data. As it is post, we need to give CSRF token, which is very compulsory, with 2 percentile sign, and here inside this I'll give CSRF underscore token. Now inside we will provide information for the form set management. So with this form set dot management underscore form with closing tag. Now we will provide a for loop over here, in which we'll give for form in form set and then closing tag. Here don't forget to give closing for loop, which will be through and for closing one. Now inside this full for loop, we'll be giving a form over here, which will be like this, and here inside of this we'll be defining form. Now we'll be giving some space over here with the help of br tag. Great. After this and for, we'll be giving submit button, so that will define with input type, which will be equal to submit, and then its value will be order ice creams, and a closing tag over here. So with this great form here, let's save this and go to our browser. We came to this browser after a long time. Now we'll be ordering an ice cream. Here I can't see the number of ice cream. I guess we made some mistake. Let's see order. Oh, here we need to give multiple form. Control S. Then reload our page. See, here it is number of ice cream. Let's say I'll give 3 and then get ice creams. Now it is giving error over here. Fill my number of ice creams, which is in view. Oh, in order.html, where we have defined ice creams.html. The num of ice. See, it is num of ice, and in views I have defined number of ice creams. It should be like this. So Control S. Hopefully now it will work. So get ice creams. See here, as we hit order button or get ice creams, here we can see that we can order 3 different ice creams with different base toppings, different topping 2, and different sizes. So let's fill in here. Let's say F, S, T, G, 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 F, G, F, F, G, and here I'll give cup. Oops, regular, and here large. Now I will order ice creams. As I have printed everything, so see, in terminal I can see everything over here, and my ice creams have been ordered. So here I can see in my terminal also, because we have put print button, and in our Formsets it worked well over here. Now in the next video we will come up with how to save your data into the database. Thank you.